Gold, daily forecast July 17th, fxempire.com. Gold markets fell for most of the session to form a fairly bearish bar, but by the end of the day, it did bounce and ended up printing a hammer. We are currently looking at this market as being in a sideways grind, as probably most people are, and as such, we think that there are a couple of very obvious levels. The 1640 level gets broken to the upside, which we'll just call 1650 for clarity. We would be interested in buying, and we think it could even go as high as about 1800. 1700 would almost be a given at that point. If we break below 1540, we think that 1500 comes in as support, and we need to get below that large psychological number in order to really start shorting this market. With the Federal Reserve Chairman giving a testimony in front of Congress today, there is a chance that he may mention or not mention quantitative easing. This market will be very volatile during the session, but for those of us who choose to play it a little bit safer, we need to see these outer bounds cracked. If you are a short-term trader, though, quite frankly, this pair will probably whip back and forth quite a bit during the session, and it should provide plenty of scalping opportunities. If the Federal Reserve Chairman, quantitatively speaking, gives high odds to QE, then we will probably see just a straight run higher. If that's the case, then it becomes an easy trade and you just hang on to it. But as I mentioned earlier, we are waiting to see this area cracked in order to do that.